day 0 of our hike. Trying to pack everything in to our hiking pack for our 3-day 2-night hike. And we had a briefing earlier today, and the weather is forecasted to be really rainy and really muddy here in Salento, which is really unexpected because rainy season isn't supposed to be happening until October, and it's the end of August now. So trying to waterproof everything and keep really warm because it's predicted to be around sub-0 degrees up in the mountains. And yeah, trying to fit everything in on our 3-day 2-night hike. Kind of nervous. Do you think we will make it? Am I making the wrong decision going hiking at this time?
Estamos en el Valle de Cocora iniciando nuestro hike. Primer día. Ahí vamos. 2300, 2400 metros. Y vamos a intentar llegar lo más alto posible. 4000 por ahí.
We have been cruising at around 2,400 meters high, and it's been about 1 hour and 10 minutes since we hiked from the bottom of Cocora Valley, and now it's time for a snack. Whew. I mean, the weather's holding up well so far. It's been nice, some pockets of sunshine. It's warm, dry-ish. Yeah, so really thankful. So the guys at Paramo Trek are really nice. They prepared some snacks for us, including a banana and snack bags, one for each day in our 3-day trek. And we've got some local snacks here. A chocolate bar, protein bar, I think. Really cool. But I gotta save it for the real trek, which starts later. So clean and so clear and cold. Natural spring water. Lunchtime. The team at Paramo prepared some curry chicken for us. And we've been hiking, what, 3 hours uphill now?
3.50.
Almost 4 hours. Ooh. I think a maximum of 3 hours more to go. Weather's been holding up so far, but it's getting foggy.
Sounds like rain.
And it sounds like rain. kilometers down, halfway more to go.
Up.
Day 2, and we are off from this finca, Argentina, and onwards and upwards. So far it's been really sunny, and we're setting off at a good timing at around 7:30 morning. That's our second finca. So close. All smiles because the sun's out.
Almost 4,000 meters high.
Say that again.
Almost 4,000 meters high.
And the altitude sickness is real. How? I'm in the dark. We have arrived. How high are we?
3,800.
3,800 meters up, and we are here at our second farm stay for the night. We've been pretty slow, to be honest, because the altitude hit us and it's been a steep ascent, but nevertheless the weather's really nice. We reached the 4,000 meter mark, and boy oh boy is the sun shining. To be honest, we have been struggling up today a lot because of the altitude, and Selassie wasn't feeling too well. He had diarrhea, but wow, it's been a while since I trekked, and I haven't done any exercise, which compounded with the difficulty level. But at least we made it, and it's been great. Really glad that I pushed myself. I think we all need this sort of getting outside of the comfort zone and pushing yourself beyond your perceived limits once in a while, because you're stripped raw and you really just connect with your body. Day 3, and we're making our descent down all the way from 4,000 meters high. It's been raining all night, and so glad that the weather, it's now sunny and the sky is cleared, and we even managed to see a snow peak from our base here in this finca, Buenos Aires. It's not been easy sleeping because our stomachs aren't feeling so well, and it's been gurgling in my stomach all night, and yeah, our appetites haven't been very good. Also, I had some serious headache from the altitude, so, and not to mention all the body aches keeping me up all night. Trek people. Wow. And we even have wine. Nestle into our habitation in Salento. We're finally back in town. It's been such a long 3 days, and getting a nice hot shower, hot water, and clean underwear, you cannot underestimate these comforts. So looking forward to resting on a big nice bed and getting a massage later. It's been a good 3 days, but ooh, it's been tough. Lots of unpacking and packing to do with all our garbage clothing.